Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to sign up Grok AI account on the app. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly create your Grok AI account. Well, creating your account in Grok AI is pretty easy. So what we need to do is we first need to access the actual platform for Grok AI. So it doesn't actually really matter where you sign this up, either on your mobile device or your PC. The steps are going to be pretty much the same thing. So what you're looking for here is going to be Grok here. So just click on Grok. So make sure it's grok.com. And usually at the top right here, you should see a sign up button. So in this case, go and click on it. Now on the next page here, it might ask you to verify that if you're human. So in this case, just verify yourself here. But usually in this section, you have three options. So you have the sign up with X, which in this case, you could use your X account or previously known as Twitter account to sign up with Grok. I also have the Google option and the Apple option here. Now you could also manually create your account by entering your email here, clicking on submit, and it will ask you basic information about yourself, like the password you want to use, your first name, and all those information. But yeah, so if, for example, if you want to sign up with your Google account, just click on sign up with Google for easy access and just choose your Google account here to create your account. Now just click on continue to proceed with the account creation here, and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.